Square root of minus 9 minus 40i. Let's let that equal a plus bi then. Square both sides then. And see what we get. On the left we'll get minus 9 minus 40i. Square root, you get what's inside. On the right we'll get a squared. That will be the first term. The last term will be this squared, which will be minus b squared, and then the middle terms will get abi and another abi, which is 2abi. So that implies then that a squared minus b squared is equal to minus 9, that's number 1, and 2ab is equal to minus 40i, isn't it? So it's minus 40. So that tells us that b is equal to then, take the 2a down, we get minus 20 over a. So let's substitute that in then. Sub 2 in 1. So we get a squared minus b squared, which is minus 20 over a squared equals minus 9. Multiply all the way through by a squared and tidy it up then. So we get a squared squared here. Minus, and this minus 20 squared will become plus, so that's 400, but there's still a minus there. So that will be the number, but we're going to move this over first, become plus 9. Lots of a squareds, as we said, and when we multiply this by a squareds, we'll get the minus, as we said, 400. And there's nothing left over here. Okay, 2020s. 2020s. Okay, 2020s. It's 20 times 20, isn't it? Is the 400, which is 10 times 40, which is 16 times 25. Ah, that's good. 16 times 25 with the difference of 9. So we might be able to factorise this one easily. So let's have a go at that then. And we're going to plumb for 16 25s. This would be a plus and this would be a minus because we want plus 9 squared equals 0. So that tells us then this solution is not possible because a squared is a real number. We can't have a negative. So here this tells us that a squared is equal to 16. And that then tells us that a, square root both sides, is plus or minus 4. That's good. So finally then, a plus ib is equal to, well, when a is 4, b is, I'll just get it from above, minus 20 over a. So I'll write it here. And we can now work with it. So when a is 4, put 4 and you get minus 5. Minus 5 lots of b. And also when a is minus 4, put that in here, you get plus 5. So there's our two answers. And if we square one of these in our mind's eye, let's square this one, we get 16 minus 25 is minus 9, that will be the real term. And then 2 lots of 20 is minus 40i, 9 minus 40i. And that's what we started with, minus 9 minus 40i. Yeah, minus 9 minus 40i.